Who was Rabbi Elazar Azikri, and when and how was his version of the famous Yedid Nefesh found?
This is one of my favorite pieces, actually, because Yedid Nefesh it's a beautiful zemer on Shabbos. Many people sing it on Friday night before Kabbalah Shabbos, and many people sing it by Shalosh Shudas as part of Sudat Shlishit, the third meal on Shabbos. That's when I think most people sing Yedid Nefesh. It's a beautiful poem that was written by Rabbi Elazar Azikri, who lived from 1533 to 1600. He was a master Kabbalist. He was a poet. He was an author of the Sefer Charedim, one of the most famous Svarim written in his time. And he lived in Sfat. He lived in the city of Sfas in Eretz Yisrael, where all of the major Kabbalists dwelled. They say that originally he was a simple shamish, a sexton in the shul. He didn't want to be known until he was discovered by the greater Kabbalists that lived there, and they made him be known. But in the Sefer Charedim, he brings this poem, which is Yedid Nefesh, and then this actual manuscript in his hand of Yedid Nefesh was actually discovered, and it has many slight nuances of difference between the accepted version that is found in most benchers and most sidurim. There are slight minor variations, and some sidurim and benchers actually amended the classic version that we had for hundreds of years to match the ones that appear in this recently discovered manuscript. But it's very clear. It's a beautiful script, and it was a great discovery for the Jewish world.